everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password for Atomic wallet. While logging into your Atomic wallet, you'll need to enter your password, but in case you've forgotten your password and don't know what to do next, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Soon after you open up your Atomic wallet, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. It will directly ask you to enter your password. If you don't remember your password, then there's a way you can easily get access to your account. You'll need to go ahead and restore from your backup. Click on this restore from backup link right beneath the open wallet button. Now, you'll need to type in the 12 words seed phrases. Click on the continue button and on the next page, enter your 12 words backup phrases that you've backed up beforehand. Type them one by one. After you type in all of your phrases, click on restore. Now, type in the new password for your account that you'd like to reset to. Make sure to enter the password that will be much more easier for you to remember next time you try to log into your account. You can double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon in the right corner. Repeat the password one more time in the next text field. After you're done, make sure both of your passwords in the text boxes matches. And finally, click on set password. Wait for a few seconds and you'll be logged back into your account even if you've forgotten your password. You've successfully reset to your new password as well. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.